Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel VBA Expert. In today's video, we will be learning top 5 VBA tricks. The first trick we have is how we can remove the background image from VBA user form. Alright, let me tell you practically, okay, without wasting the time so that you will understand in a better way. I am pressing Alt F11 here. Here I have created one, the blank user form. You guys can see. Okay, now what I want in the background of this user form, I want this icon. I want this image. Okay, I want to import this image. Okay, and to set it in the background of this user form. So what I will be doing, I will be clicking on picture here. I have a picture option. At the moment I clicked, and I will directly, you know, now it has taken me to the directly to that file directory. Alright, and I will click on it and click on open. When I clicked on open, now you guys can see, the background actually got changed when you have shown this user form to your manager. All right, and after completing your task, but your manager didn't like your background, and he said that you need to get this change. Okay, so instead of this, your manager now wanting you to import this image. Okay, all right, this image inside this user form. All right, so how you can do before importing other image? Yeah, all right, you need to remove the existing image. All right, so what I will be doing and how we can remove the existing image, so this is where the most of the people are not aware. All right, so that is what we need to learn here. All right, what I have to do again, I need to go, okay, to the picture option from where we have imported, on this three dot we clicked, and we directly can import any one of a image. All right, but now the condition is here. Now I want to remove this background. So what I can do again, I need to go on the picture. Instead of clicking three dots, you need to directly, click like this. Okay, you have nothing to do here. All right, and now what you have to do, you need to delete it. Okay, delete it does not mean that you will press your backspace key. No, instead of backspace, you need to press your delete key, okay, which you have in your keyboard. I am just pressing delete only. At the moment I am doing it. Now my image actually got run away. All right, and again you can import the any one of them. For example, I want to import now user from this one. Now I have got this. Right, if I want to delete, and again I click like this and press delete. Right, so this is how you can do, okay, the first trick. All right, we have done it. We can very easily remove the background of any user form. All right, and second, the trick is how to change the cursor icon in a VBA. Now you guys can see, if I have already created two button here, if I will run this user form, here my cursor is, you guys can see, okay, it is not the professional, okay, it does not look professional. All right, if you will go to the Chrome here, my cursor is very normal here, you guys can see. But whenever I am hovering my cursor over the YouTube icon, my cursor is being changed, okay, in the different form. So it denotes basically, once you will click and something will definitely happen. Right, this is what actually it's denoting. So the same thing I want to also denote in my Excel user form. Then how I can do it? All right, so what I can do it, here we have a small code. Okay, here we have a small code. So what you have to do, you need to click on mouse option. Okay, mouse icon, you guys can see, you need to click on this mouse icon three dot. Okay, here once you click, here you have to write the file name, file path you have to write. So what is the file path? So you need to write this one, C colon forward slashes window, just C window cursor. You need to press enter. Part does not exist, check the file. Alright, C dot cursor. Just a minute. See, I am just forgetting here. I think it was Wind C. Just a minute. It was C colon forward slash, it was just a wait. It was something like that, just a wait. What we can do, we can click on this mouse icon. Here you have to do Windows cursor, sorry. Yes, again I am writing it C window cursors. All right, this is what which I also will give you in the description box as well. All right, and okay, as soon as that you have entered it, you need to press enter. Okay, Windows, since Windows, what again I missed. Okay, yes, Windows. All right, I will copy and paste it in your Excel as well, and I will provide. Okay, I'll give this path. Okay, this path will work in your system as well, and any one of them you want. Okay, you want the icon, for example I want this one. You need to click on open, and after that, okay, again I need to click mouse icon, and directly I will fall here. Will be clicking here, and now mouse pointer I need to change. Instead of 10 I need to give 99 custom. All right, and the moment you will run it, okay, you guys can see here I have a normal cursor. Now you guys can see, now it actually got changed, right? But in login one, it's not happen. So one by one you have to do it. All right, one by one you have to do it. All right, so here I have a mouse pointer only, right? Mouse icon actually has gone. But if I will click on login object, okay, and here I will be having the login mouse icon. Here again I will click on the three dots, and here I will give this one again, and will change the mouse pointer as well. Instead of default I will give the custom one. All right, and I will run it. You guys can see now my cursor actually got changed. This is what which I wanted. All right, and the second we have done as well. Now okay, show, okay, how to show checkboxes. Basically I have written something wrong. How to check, how to show checkboxes in a list box and option button in a combo box. For example, here I want to create one combo box, right? And I'm writing one code here in initialize. Let me add some items in my combo box. All right, then key as an integer. For example, let me add month. All right, what I want is with the me dot combo. Just a minute, we combo box was box one, and with dot add item. All right, and VBA dot date serial 2020. Let's suppose K1, and I want to format it in the month. At the moment I run it, now you guys can see month is coming like this. All right, but if I want to make this more attractive, I want to show the option button here, which actually can make your combo box bit attractive, and that will show that you have actually put in some efforts in order to creating this project. All right, so what I will be doing is, you need to click on this combo box. Right here you will be having the list style option, list style. All right, instead of pen, let give the option. At the moment you have given, you just need to rerun it, and here you will be having the option. All right, this is how you can do it very easily. Great. All right, next we have how to show the checkbox in the list box. All right, for example, here I have some data. Okay, employee name I have, sales I have, and location I have. For example, employee name I have A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, for example, and sales I have 23, 45, 67, 50, 5, 34, 65, 78. Location I have Pune, GGN, alright, Noida, Delhi, Mumbai, this is what I want to show in my list. Let me create one list here. Let me create one more user form here. I have created here what I want to create one list. So I have a list here, list box. I created like this. All right, and let me display that data which we have in the Excel in this list box. So here with me dot list box one, and all right, here I want to show, yes, I have column heads true, column heads true false. The columns count we have 3. Column width I want to give of 100, 100, 100, and 100, and raw data, and now I have to provide the raw data, right? Row source. So range a1 dot current region, and will get the address. Now you guys can see I have this small data here, but can you imagine if I want to select the multiple selection I want to do? The multiple selection you can do like this. Okay, you need to do here, okay, multi select and simple single select you can do like this right here. But when it comes about to do the multiple selection, then how it can be possible? Multi select, okay, so I have fm multi select multi. If I will do it, you guys can see you can multi select your data. But here if I want to provide the checkboxes, then how I can do the same? So you have to basically do it how. So basically you need to come again, list type option I have given, for example. Now you guys can see this is my multiple checks which I have already, which I have given in a very easy way, okay, from which people are actually not aware. So this actually makes your project, or your makes your the user form and the software which you have created. These are the small thing which impose the very good impression, okay, on those people, okay, who all are using your software, okay. So these are the thing I think we must be aware, and everyone I think must be aware. All right. So third one also we have done, and now here and the fourth one I have a get the count of unhide sheet. For example, you have a one workbook. In that workbook you have the 10 sheet, but you don't know how many sheets are hiked. Okay, and now you want to get the count of that. For example, let me create some files here, sheets here. Here I have created almost 2 and 6 sheets. I want to hide 2 sheets here. Okay, I hide it. Alright. Now if I want to get the count of it, then how I can get the count of it? Now I want to get the count. So in this workbook, I would let me add one module. In option expression mode, I want to write it. Let me write one small code here. We have to write dim ws as a worksheet. For example, I want to run it in my entire this workbook. For each ws in this workbook.Worksheet, it means this loop should work in every sheet of this workbook. All right. Here, but I want to put the condition if ws.Visible, if it is hidden, then let me declare one more variable to in order to get the count. A as an integer, k equal to 1 0. If it would be hidden, then it should provide me the count. MsgBox k, for example. Now if I will run it, then how many sheets is hidden? 2 sheets, right? This code even I also will provide you. This can actually help you a lot. So this is how you can do it. All right, and fourth also we have done, and now we have to do the dynamic code of it. How we can do? For example, in A1 I am writing Akash dot Sharma, Akash space Sharma. Now you guys can see my name is overlapping the cell. But if I want, and I want to make this sheet like this. If I am writing any kind of sentence, however big it is, for example, this I am writing, it should not get overlap. At the moment I will write and press enter, it should get autofill automatically itself. So this is what we have to do. In sheet 3 I want to do, for example, here we have to use the event. In sheet 3 you need to click and here you have to click change. You have to get this. Instead of general you need to select worksheet. In worksheet you need to select change. Alright, here what you have to do, you have to write like this: target dot out of it. Simple. This is what we have to write only. Okay, what you can do, if I will press Akash Sharma, what it will return me. I am pressing now, still it's overlapping, but still I haven't pressed enter. But if I will press enter, now it should be out of it. I'm pressing enter here, but it's throwing me error. Why? So let's see why. Target dot, yes, active sheet. What we can do, active sheet dot use range dot out of it we can do. Out of it method of a range class failed. Just a bit. All right. Okay. Active cell dot auto fit we can do. Now let's do it. Still we are getting error. Why? Let's get this fixed first. We can do range, no range, sheet 3 dot use range dot auto fit. Sharma, enter. I am getting this error. Instead of selection change, well, autofit method of a range class fail. Okay, I think something we are doing wrong here. Active sheet dot range. We want to accept entire column dot autofit. Alright, accept we have. Okay, now it will work. How? For example, I'm writing here Akash dot Sharma. Okay, and Kishan, and we'll press enter. Now it's got changed. If I will write anything here, uh, for example, I'm writing I am a good boy. Still, it's overlapping. All right, but if I will press enter, it will get changed. You guys can see. So this is what which you can do, and these are the things which can help you a lot on your, I mean, in your daily task. All right, and apart from that, if you want me to make the video on any topic, please let me know. All right, thanks very much to supporting me. All right, bye bye, take care guys.